Why protein matters more after 60. As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes one of the most critical factors in staying healthy, active, and independent. Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle, begins as early as age 30 and accelerates after 60. One of the most effective ways to combat it? Protein. But not just any protein. Today, we reveal the power of a tiny, often overlooked seed that contains more protein per gram than eggs, and has been shown to support muscle repair, balance hormones, reduce inflammation, and even promote heart health. This tiny superfood can make a big difference in the daily lives of seniors looking to stay strong, energized, and sharp. Part 1. Understanding sarcopenia and the senior muscle crisis. Definition and impact. Sarcopenia leads to reduced strength, frailty, higher fall risk, and lower metabolic rate. Causes: declining hormones, testosterone, growth hormone, low protein intake, sedentary lifestyle, inflammation. The cost: muscle loss can result in diabetes, joint problems, and reduced independence. The fix: nutrient-rich protein plus movement plus anti-inflammatory support. Part 2. Introducing the tiny super seed, hemp hearts. Hemp hearts, also known as shelled hemp seeds, are a complete plant-based protein source. Protein power: 10 grams of protein per 3 tablespoons. Amino acid profile includes all 9 essential amino acids. Healthy fats, rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Other nutrients: magnesium, iron, zinc, B vitamins. Digestion friendly, easier to digest than many legumes and grains. Why they outperform eggs for seniors: no cholesterol, high fiber content, anti-inflammatory omega-3s, plant-based, and easily integrated into any diet. Part 3. How hemp seeds help build muscle after 60. Stimulates muscle protein synthesis (MPS), high leucine content and complete amino acids. Anti-inflammatory support, chronic inflammation, reduces muscle recovery and growth. Omega-3s help mitigate this. Supports bone health. Magnesium and protein both contribute to stronger bones. Balances hormones. Essential fats and minerals help regulate estrogen and testosterone balance. Boosts energy and focus. B vitamins and iron enhance oxygen delivery and mental alertness. Part 4. How to use hemp hearts daily. Daily dosage: 2-3 tablespoons, add gradually if new to fiber. Easy ways to eat: sprinkle on oatmeal or yogurt, blend into smoothies, add to salads or soup, mix into protein balls or baked goods, stir into cottage cheese or mashed avocado. Pro tip: combine with a vitamin C source, like berries or citrus, to enhance iron absorption. Part 5. A sample day using hemp hearts muscle-focused plan. Breakfast: overnight oats with almond milk, 2 ts hemp hearts, cinnamon, banana, green tea or coffee. Snack: Greek yogurt plus 1 ts hemp hearts plus strawberries. Lunch: grilled chicken or chickpea salad with avocado and 2 ts hemp.